Today we have a 2003 Takamaz X200 CNC turning milling center with subspindle. Machine has a Fanuc 18 ITB control. I'm going to run the main spindle first. 500 RPM. 1000 RPM. 2000? That's 2000. Has full C-axis on the main. That's an ATS S26 collet chuck on the main spindle. Now we're going to run the live tool. 500 RPM. 1200. That is 1750. Machine comes with all the tool holders that are mounted to the machine. That's X. I mean, that was Z. This is X. Gonna run the sub spindle. Do the C-axis first. Also has a full C-axis. That's an SMW Waterblock 6-inch 3-jaw chuck. Now we're going to run the spindle. 600. 1500. That's 2200. All right. There's the parts catcher. It's the B-axis. All right, machine also comes with a chip conveyor. You can inspect it under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.